Los Angeles Rams defensive tackle Aaron Donald is the best defensive player in the National Football League. In his 6 seasons in the NFL, he's gone to 6 Pro Bowls, and he's been named first-team All-Pro 5 times. The havoc he wreaks against teams has many in the sports world calling him the greatest defensive tackle of all time. But those are things you probably already knew. We're here to talk about 10 things you don't know about the perennial All-Pro. Before we start, do me a favor, hit that subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our content. All done? Perfect. On to our list. Coming in at number 10, Aaron Donald is dating his high school sweetheart. Of the many pro athletes, how many do you think can say they're in a relationship with the same person that they dated back in high school? Aaron Donald and his longtime girlfriend Jalen Blakely grew up in Western Pennsylvania and started dating back in high school. Donald and Blakely have 2 kids together, a boy and a girl. Aaron Donald doesn't say much about his private life, but Blakely is said to post photos on her Facebook page as well as pictures of the kids. She's also known to root for her man on game days. Blakely and the children also root for Aaron Donald at Rams games and have been pictured multiple times cheering for him. Donald's girlfriend is a strong supporter of his, even though she's a Pittsburgh Steelers fan at heart. Number 9 on our list, Aaron Donald owns 3 of college football's most prestigious awards for a defensive player. Aaron Donald is the proud owner of the Bronco Nagurski Award, the Chuck Bednarik Award, and the Outland Trophy. The Bronco Nagurski Award goes to the most dominant defensive player in college football. The Lombardi Award is given to the best football player, regardless of position, and the Outland Trophy goes to the best interior lineman in college football. We know Aaron Donald's dominance as a pro, and we've seen the way he terrorizes quarterbacks and disrupts backfields at this level, but Donald has been dominant since his college days. While a lot of college stars do not shine when they reach the highest stage of the NFL, Aaron Donald is the rare player who manages to meet and exceed far beyond his high expectations. Coming in at number 8, Aaron Donald practices his technique with training knives. Yeah, knives. In Aaron's defense, the knives are fake. Well, they're made of a tough rubber, so Aaron's not going to injure himself during his training method, but he says the knives can hurt. If you haven't seen this video of Aaron training with knives with his instructor, Aaron Donald is actually learning Krav Maga. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but in the viral clips, his trainer Al Carson wields 2 large knives and essentially tries to stab Donald with a series of varied stabbing motions while alternating arms as Aaron blocks the attacks with each arm. The training is supposed to help his hand speed and improve his eye and hand and feet coordination. Shortly after the video, it was learned that the knives were indeed fake, and Aaron seemed like a little less of a training freak. Although training knives have got to be one of the most unique exercises for a football player you've come across, hey, Aaron Donald is the best of the best. So at this point, we're not going to question any of this man's training methods, no matter how strange they may seem. At number 7, in 2017, Aaron Donald was the first defensive tackle to win Defensive Player of the Year since Warren Sapp in 1999. If you're a defensive tackle, chances are your impact doesn't always get noticed. The tackles for loss and run stops don't stick out in the stat department like a sack or an interception. Most of the time, defensive tackles are nowhere near the league lead in sacks. Well, Aaron Donald, he's not your typical defensive tackle. And it has been 18 years since the last defensive tackle won the Defensive Player of the Year. Donald's season was one for the ages after recording 20.5 sacks, as well as 25 tackles for loss, and put the Rams' defense on his back and made them into a force to be reckoned with on their way to the Super Bowl. His 20.5 sacks set the NFL record for defensive tackles in a single season and were just shy of the all-time record. What's even more impressive is that Aaron Donald was double-teamed on 61.4% of his pass rushes. Coming in at number 6, Aaron Donald received a Karma Rivero for signing his contract with the Rams. When you sign a big NFL contract, you get a lot of expectations to go along with all those zeros you were just handed over. When Aaron Donald signed his $135 million extension with the Rams in 2018, the team also decided to send a brand new $135,000 Karma Rivero to his home. not a bad gift for the driving force of your defense. The luxurious electric car isn't just an electric car, it also has a traditional engine as a backup. The car must have left an impression on Donald, who test drove the 2020 GT version in late 2019 in a clip that can be seen right here on YouTube. Number 5, Aaron Donald was overlooked in the NFL draft because he was undersized. If you see many pictures of Aaron Donald flexing on his Instagram or the many that are floating around of him looking shredded, you would never guess the dude was undersized. At 285 pounds, Donald's about 15 pounds shy of your prototypical defensive tackle, and at 6'1", about 2 inches shorter than desired defensive tackles. Before the Rams selected Donald, multiple teams were in need of a 4-3 defensive tackle, but elected to address other positions with early talent. One of the teams that in fact passed on Aaron Donald was the Rams, as they chose Greg Robinson with the second pick before selecting Donald at 13. As most superstar alphas, sliding to number 13 in this draft is said to be a motivator for Donald. After 6 seasons in the league and being a wrecking ball to every offensive line he's faced, it's safe to say that Aaron Donald has proven his draft doubters wrong, and that he isn't undersized or too short to play defensive tackle. Coming in at number 4, in just 6 seasons, Aaron Donald is within range of the Rams' all-time sack record. Aaron currently sits at number 3 on this list after only being a Los Angeles Ram since 2014. If he manages to put together another Aaron Donald-like season, he could very well reach the 15.5 sacks he needs to pass Kevin Green and Leonard Little, number 2 and number 1 on that list. It goes to show that Aaron Donald is an absolute juggernaut on the football field since he first stepped onto it as a rookie. Donald isn't only good, he's consistent. He hasn't had less than 8 sacks in a single season, and he's been in the double digits every time, but twice during his 6 years in the league. In case you were wondering if Aaron is slowing down, his 12.5 this past season were the second most of his career. That number was good enough for 7th overall in the league and the only defensive tackle to crack the top 10. If Aaron Donald continues to play anywhere near this level, it's not likely his record's broken anytime soon. At number 3 on our list, Aaron Donald spent some of his offseason working out in a basement because of COVID-19. The restrictions during COVID had caused many of the people who enjoy working out at gyms to find other means of exercising. Even if you're a superstar athlete, well, the gyms Aaron Donald normally goes to locked down. He spent time working out in his basement with his father, brother, and nephew. The basement was where he did the heavy lifting while he also used a nearby field to help complete his workouts. Along with basement workouts, Donald said he also spent his lockdown time watching the documentary The Last Dance and claimed it helped him by seeing how Michael Jordan pushed his teammates and how he fed off personal slights. It's not like a bunch of people are walking around talking a bunch of trash to Aaron Donald, but if you go that route, you just know you're fueling him. At number 2 on our list, Aaron Donald has a brother that played pro football. Football is something Aaron Donald is great at, and apparently he is not the only Donald to have played on the gridiron at the pro level. Aaron's older brother, Archie Donald Jr., also played in the NFL. Archie checked in at an inch taller than his little bro, but was 40 pounds lighter and happened to play middle linebacker. He bounced around a lot in the league, and his last team was the Cleveland Browns. Archie Donald retired from football in 2012. He and Aaron came a long way from the bunk bed they shared when they had dreams of playing in the NFL. 2 kids from the same household playing in the NFL is a dream of its own. Coming in at number 1, Aaron Donald was the highest paid defensive player in the league for 24 hours. On August 31st, 2018, Aaron Donald signed his record-breaking $135 million extension that included $87 million in guaranteed money, making him the richest defensive player in NFL history. On September 1st, holdout Khalil Mack was shipped from the Raiders to the Bears, and hours later, after being traded, he was signed to the tune of a massive $141 million, $90 million guaranteed. If you're Aaron Donald, can you even be mad about anything involving getting paid $135 million? The 2 signings at the time were astronomical, and it almost makes you wonder how big Aaron's contract would have been if Khalil signed first. That's our list. 10 things you didn't know about our world defensive tackle, Aaron Donald. Was there anything we left off the list? Anything you already knew? Anything that surprised you? Let us know. Drop a line down in the comments. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, sports fans, have a good one.